Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 7D Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible right now on your display, and once that is the case, hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up and share and scrollable screenshot options, and it does disappear after a moment. Once it disappears, you can find your screenshots in the gallery application. Now, by default, you would be located in the Photos tab, which you can find your screenshots in here as well. But I do recommend trying to get used to going into Albums and Screenshot Album, as this will make it much easier to locate your screenshots later on when you have captured also a bunch of different photos, videos, and stuff like that, as it will get a little bit crowded with other content. And if you're looking just for a specific screenshot, this will be the quickest and the easiest way to locate your screenshots. And here's the one that I have captured on the video. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.